In this video, I want to show you a really good and free appointment booking plugin for WordPress. So let me show you. This is the plugin we want to use today, or we want to install and test today. So this is called Easy Appointments, and so the plugin is completely free. So of course it's not that complex like if you download or install a paid premium plugin, but this plugin is really good and has a lot of features that I want to show you today. And yeah, so let's install this plugin. So this plugin is, like I said, called Easy Appointments. Let's go to our WordPress website. Let's go to plugins, add new plugin, and then we want to search for the plugin. So let's see here, and here it is. So I click on install, and I will put the link to the plugin to this page in the video description down below. So if you want to check it out or want to read the plugin site, then visit the video description down below and click on the link. So, and now I click on activate here, and there it is. So here now is our Easy Appointments. So then let's click here, and here you can see now we have to make a new new appointment. So here you can see also we can set up the locations. So if we have any locations, services, employees, and here are some settings I will show you later in detail. So then first of all, let's go to locations and add our location here. So the location is home, for example. Address is home, and let's make this. So then click on save. Now here you can see this is our first location, and also let's add a location. Online address is Zoom, and location is internet. Let's click on save. So now we have two locations. Let's click on service. Let's add a new service here. Then consultation, duration, let's set this to 60 minutes. Slot step, 60 minutes. Block before, here you can add some a time or a few minutes before and after, so that when somebody is booking your 60-minute consultation, and that there is not directly after this consultation call the next consultation call. So then you have a little bit of break. So let's add, for example, 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes as well. So daily limits, and here you can set a price. You can set it to 0, or you can set it, let's make it to 100 US dollars, for example, and let's choose a color here. So let's choose this blue color, service color. Let's click on save, and then let's click on employees. So let's add an employee. So let's my name and the description. Tim will be your coach, for example. Email test@test.com. Phone 2345678. Then let's click on save. Now here you can see I am the employee. So, and the next step is connections, and here under connections we can connect each service and each employee. We can connect everything together, and you can do this by bulk, or we can add a single connection. So we click here on single connect or on connection, then we choose the location. Let's choose online, for example, service consultation, because this is our only service we are offering right now. Then I am the only employee. Number of slots, so let's leave, or let's put this to 5. And days of week, I'm not too sure. No. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. I'm working 5 days a week. So dates range. So from this date, from today to end of the year, I don't know, let's put it here. Okay. Time range. Let's make it this, and yeah, and leave it for testing purposes on this time. So is working, yes. So of course, if you are in the United States and if you have 12-hour days and working with AM and PM. So I'm in Europe, I'm in Germany, so we have the 24-hour time format. You can of course switch this if you are in the United States or somewhere where you're using the 12-hour time format. Then I will click on save. So now here is our first connection, and yeah, the connection. Then let's click on settings. Here we can make some different settings. So here you can see location, compatible mode, auto reservation. I don't even know what this is. Make a reservation. Yeah, you can of course play around with this, and yeah, you can play around with it and make all the settings. So then we have email notifications for pending. So this is what your customer will receive, or the person will receive that books. That filled out the booking format on your website. Then reservation. Of course, here you have to write some text. Hello, customer, and here are also the placeholders, so you can use the ID, the date, you can put in the placeholders. Then let's see here, two-step action link in email. Okay, this is a two-step confirmation, I think. Yeah, send email to workers. So if there is a new booking, for example, then, and I will check this here, this field, then not only your customer will receive an email, but also your employee, your worker will receive an email. Send email to user. Yeah, then you of course you want to check this field. Send from. Here you can input the name. Here you can customize the calendar view, allow public access to full calendar shortcode. By default, only logged in users can see date in full calendar. Mark this option if you want to allow public access for all. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Show events. Show event content in pop-up. Okay, here you can activate a pop-up. Then you can if information in this field, and you can also use these shortcodes here. Here you have the full documentation. So if you are not sure, then you can click here, of course, and read the full documentation about the plugin. Here you can see how this works, what you can input. Here you can see here is a little template you can use. And yeah, so then let's close this for now. User access. Location page. So here, here you have different options. User access. Okay, I'm not really too sure what to put in here. Yeah, you have to test it out. Then labels. So service. Yeah, here you can customize the labels. So service is now called service, location is now called labels, locations is now called locations. You can customize this, and then date and time. Yeah, here you can see I have 24 hours. You can of course change this to AM and PM, but since I am in Europe, I will leave this for now. You can change the calendar localization, and Then let's go to custom field. Okay, here you can input, or here you can make new custom fields. So email, name, phone, then you can add company informations or something like this, and phone we already have here. Yeah, you can create new custom fields, as many as you want. reCAPTCHA, form style, and redirect. So you have so many options here. GDPR if you want to have this, then money format if you want to charge for your services directly here, then you can input euro or US dollars, but that's completely up to you. Then let's click on save. Settings saved, perfect. Okay, let's go to the next step. Let's go to tools. Here you can see we have test email. We can test our emails if with the email verification is everything, or the email sending process is everything good, then you can test this here. And vacations, so if you have any vacations, then you can input this here. So then users are not able to book an appointment in this time. If you set up your vacation or vacations, or for your different employees, you can set up the vacation time here. Good. Then let's go back to appointments, and here you have then later the complete overview. So also you can add manually the appointments here. Okay, then let's try to insert this appointment booking form into our website or into a page. So let's go to, or let's go here. And for example, we want to insert this on our home page or on the main page. Then let's click on Edit with Elementor, open in a new tab. And we have to input this via a shortcode. I will show you. Then we go, for example, we want to insert this somewhere here. Then let's go here to search widget shortcode. So, and it doesn't matter if you build your website with Elementor or you build your website with Gutenberg or Divi or something like this. So this is not important which page builder you are using. So all you have to do is insert a shortcode. With Elementor we have to search for the right widget. So here's the right widget. Then let's put this here. And then here we will put in our shortcode, and this is the shortcode, and click on apply. And now we click on publish. And then let's go back, let's refresh the site, and let's see. And here it is. So of course you can, here it is now, here we have the calendar. Then they can choose the right date, and here they can put in the name and all the information. And of course you can also customize the design or the layout. So let me choose a date here, for example. Okay, we only allowed to choose for today, so we have to, if we want to allow the user to select an appointment in the future, then we have to enable this in the back end, but you get the idea how this works. So this is only a button click to allow bookings in the future. So then we select our time, and then we have to input our email address, name, phone, description. And then you can see here, because we only selected one location or one service, and and then we can click on submit, and then everything is good. And it's really easy, and I think the calendar looks good. So, and here we can choose the month, and I think this looks really good, and it's really easy to set up. of course, yeah, you have to, especially with the settings, yeah, you have to test around a little bit, then activate the or play around with the different features here, and yeah, customize the layout of your of this booking form. If you don't like this, if you want to have this side by side or something like this, then you can activate this, and also the feature booking. Yeah, but I think this is a really cool plugin. So, and this plugin is completely free. And yeah, play around with it. So like I said, I will put the link in the video description, so you can test it on your website, and if you like it, then yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if you like the plugin, if you have a different plugin. Also, yeah, do you prefer these free plugins, or are you preferring premium paid plugins or something like this? And yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you found the video informative, then please press the thumbs up button, and yeah, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also support me on my Patreon page. You will find all the links in the video description down below. And yeah, so then thank you very much for your time, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.